Hello everybody, it's KeToMi Poppy here, back for another episode of KeToMi Recipes. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for me to drop something new, and here we are today with our keto chocolate chip cookies. This is absolutely phenomenal. This is a great way for you to stay and love keto and enjoy sweets like we're about to be making today. Guys, if this is your first time finding me on this channel here, my name is KeToMi Poppy, and I make delicious keto treats and meals, and I show you how to make it in a fast and easy way, so that way you guys can, enjoy a keto lifestyle and also stick to that keto lifestyle. If you like videos like this, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss another recipes video. Follow me on Instagram at KeToMi_Poppy. The links in the script will be in the description below. Also, the links for some of these items will be listed in the description below, just because I know it can be hard to find some of these here. So without further ado, let's get into this recipe. What you see here in front of you is all that you're going to be needing. Just make sure that you have a baking tray with some parchment paper to lay your cookies down, and make sure you have an oven, of course. So what we have here is we have some Lily's milk chocolate baking chips, we have some vanilla extract, we have some Swerve granulated sugar, and some brown sugar here. Baking powder, you can use baking soda, and I have some almond flour and some Kerrygold's butter. It's just the grass-fed butter. We have a bowl here. I don't have a hand mixer. I have my hand here with my, we're going to be using my hands today. I'm sorry, I meant to say I don't have an electric mixer. And I have a wooden spoon. So without further ado, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this butter and sugars inside the bowl, and I'll see you guys in just a sec. Okay, so what we have here is a half cup of butter. We also have a half cup of brown sugar, which is the Swerve brown sugar. We have a third cup of Swerve granulated sugar, and we're going to go ahead and try to get this mixed up together. Since I don't have the electric mixer, it's going to take me a few minutes, and we're going to come right back at it with one egg. So let's go ahead and get all of that together and mixed well, and we'll get ready to we're going to get ready to prepare our flour. For our flour, I have a half cup of almond flour, and I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of baking powder. After that, we're going to go ahead and give it a nice mix, and we're going to combine it to our brown sugar and butter mixture. And make sure to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to your butter brown sugar mixture. At this time, you also want to be preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. By now you can notice the ingredients are starting to decrease and decrease and decrease. And this is what your dough should be looking like at this point after adding your almond flour that was mixed with the baking powder. Your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to be adding these beautiful Lily's milk chocolate baking chips. This is sweetened with stevia, so let me see if I can get a quick shot of the ingredients just to make sure. A lot of you like to make a decision by looking at the ingredients right there. You can pause the screen. We're going to be adding about a cup and a half of these right here. I just like mine with extra chocolate chips. My mouth is already watering, and we're going to go ahead and give this a nice little mix here. Okay, so I made 6 cookies here. It's just going to be me, so I'm not going to be eating too many cookies, and this recipe is very easy. I can make this anytime that I want, and now you can make it anytime that you want. So I had my oven preheated to 350, as I mentioned before, and we're going to cook this for 10 to 12 minutes. You want to kind of keep an eye on these to make sure that you're watching for that golden brown crust at the bottom. It's very important that we watch out for that so we won't burn our cookies. So I'm going to be right back with the finished product, guys. And guys, this is the finished product. I made 6 cookies here. These absolutely look amazing. These are keto chocolate chip cookies, and you can see they just had a little bit of browning right here, and the end result was just absolutely phenomenal. Guys, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. That way you won't miss another KeToMi Poppy video. Leave me a comment down below. What should I do next? If there's something that you have been craving, if so, let me know and we'll get to it. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.